Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. So if your photos are not loading or when you try to log in your hello everyone, welcome back to this video. So if you are not logging in your Snapchat or try to load the photos and you are facing this type of problem, something went wrong, please try again later on your Snapchats. Then you are exactly at the right location because I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix this type of error on your iPhone. So let's start it. Firstly, go back to your home screen. And now I have a couple of steps to solve this problem. So what you need to do is just follow my methods. So this may be the error which you are facing because of the network issue. So firstly, you have to make sure that you have a strong mobile data here. If you are using the mobile data and if you are using Wi-Fi connection, then what you need to do is just here forgot this connection, and then what you need to do is just again reconnect it and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this is the case, then go for the next method. For that, what you need to do is just open up here Snapchat on your device and then tap here on your profile icon and now tap here on your settings icon and now scroll it down here, and here you will see the option like cache. Here it is, clear cache. Tap on this and clear all cache. From here all of your cache will be cleared and Snapchat will restart and your memories will not be deleted. So tap here on clear and your Snapchat will restart. Tap on OK. Again go back and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem still isn't fixed, then open up settings app here on your device and then scroll it down here and tap on general, and now again scroll it down here and here is the iPhone storage, so tap on these, and then from here you have to locate your Snapchat, so tap on these, and from here offload the app. Again tap on offload app. This will free up your storage. Okay, and reinstall the app here. So after the reinstallation process has been done, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. So hopefully the problem should be fixed. So if the problem still isn't fixed, then go for the next method. For that, what you need to do is just force restart your iPhone by press and holding the combination of the key according to your iPhone model, and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if all of these tricks doesn't work for you, then go for the last method. For that, again here what you need to do is just uninstall your Snapchat app and then turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds and then turn back on and then reinstall your Snapchat app and then try again, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So this is the method you can fix easily your this type of error. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.